the stars in the sky look down where he lay, the little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. The cat